Hi guys, I've run into a depth issue with Nadir caps and dashboard buttons, and I've put together this video to give you a good idea of what I'm seeing, and I'm hoping you can help me resolve my issue. I'll start by launching a simple FFC template. I'll add in the dashboard buttons, and I'll just reload to make sure that everything's set properly. I'll add the Nadir cap. In this case I'm loading a 32-bit PNG graphic. Let's pan down and take a look. There's our buttons, there's our cap. I want the cap to remain fixed in that position as the pano turns, so I'll leave glued unchecked. And I'm just going to resize change the distance here to resize the graphic. Once I do that, you can see the issue that I'm having down here in the corner here with the info button, where the cap is coming over the top of it. It's going behind all of the other buttons, but over this button here. If I reload, and we pan on back down, we can see that the issue is still there. If I go and look at the depth of the cap, or the hotspot cap, and the button, we can see the depth of the cap here is 19. I'm going to change that to 2. If I change that to 2, the info buttons come back up to the top again. Let's just reload and take another look though. And we can see that the issue is still there. If I go and look at the info button, we can see that the info button has a depth of 1001. If I come back into the plugins in the dashboard, I'm just going to delete some of the buttons out of here, so we'll take off the info button. We'll take about 3 or 4 buttons off. The cap now goes behind all the buttons, but let's reload again. Pan on down. And we see we've got the same issue again. It's always the last button that the hotspot goes over the top of, regardless of how many buttons I have visible. So I'm not sure if this is a bug or if it's just something I'm doing wrong, but I'd appreciate your help. Thanks.